Hey guys, so the Nodepay AI Airdrop has finally listed, and I think it's trading on Get.io and biggest exchanges, and they listed for about 45 cents, and the current price is showing 20 cents thereabouts at the moment. But the thing is, I'm still bullish that it will increase in price. At least $1 should be certain. So this is not a financial advice, I'm just saying, like, I'm still bullish on the price. It can get to $1, but the time frame when it will get to $1 is what I can't tell, but it will. I'm bullish about it. So to claim the airdrop, you have to come to this claim.nodfoundation.ai and connect the same wallet that you use. Then you need gas fee. To my greatest surprise, they are saying you need a gas fee of 0.02 Solano. And this is what I'm currently having, 0.01. So 0.02 Solano as gas fee should be giving us like from $6 thereabouts, because I'm having 0.01, and okay, I have to log in. I'm having 0.014, which is about $3, close to $4. But this is 0.02 with the current price of Solano coin, which is $215. So to get to 0.02 will be giving you $6-7. So that's what you currently need to be able to claim to your wallet. Then the moment you have the Solano in your wallet, you can now send to biggest exchange to sell. And that's it. So I think I'm having enough Solano here now. I'll click on these claim tokens, and they will deposit the Solano coin. They will deposit the Nodepay token, which is the NC, to my Solano wallet. So I even have claimed from the platform to my to my Phantom wallet. Then I can use the inner swap to Solano coin, or withdraw to biggest exchange by clicking on send, and you can enter your receive address from biggest exchange. You enter amount and you click on next to send. But since I'm not having the NC token here on my Phantom wallet, I have to top up my Solano coin to use as gas fee before I can claim. I wonder why this $3 is not enough to claim. That's too high. But it's fine. I'm just going to top up, then come back here to claim. Take note, you have 44 days left to claim. Like you have 44 days left to claim. After this 44 days countdown here, they are saying, and you do not claim, I guess they are going to burn the token. So you have to claim on or before this 44 days elapses. So take note of that. So that's basically how to claim. You can claim here to hold or claim to go and sell. The current price is 21 cents on biggest exchange. It's currently trading at 21 cents on biggest exchange. So you can claim to your wallet and send to biggest, and that's all. Nothing more, nothing less. And also guys, you can stake your GT for GPS token on Get.io startup mining. Use your GT to stake for GPS. You stake GT, you earn GPS token, and you can sell or what have you. So check the link to participate in the description box of this video. And also check the link to claim this NC in the description box of this video. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.